Hey everyone, this one's just a fun one, the handcuff knot. To tie this one we're just going to start in the middle of a rope somewhere, and then I just want to grab a section and then turn it clockwise to make an overhand loop, move along the rope to the right and again turn it clockwise, make a loop. Then I want to overlap these two loops, left over right, and then I'm going to reach down through here and grab that section, and on this side I'm going to reach up and I'm going to grab this section. I'm going to pull them through. It's going to look like this. So there we have the start of our handcuffs, and I'm going to take this remaining rope down here, and on this side I'm again going to rotate it clockwise to make a loop, and I'm going to feed this loop through. I want to keep this nice and loose, and then on this side I'm going to rotate this one anti-clockwise and again feed that over the large loop, and again keep that nice and loose. Then you can get your victim to put their hands through these holes, and as long as these are loose you should still be able to adjust these loop sizes, and then once you've got them as tight as you like, you can then lock these loops into place by just tightening up these half hitches, one on one side and one on the other. That's the handcuff knot.